Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we, of course, look into 2024, 2025, something interesting that is going to happen is, of course, in the PC sales. So Canalys, that examines the shipments of PCs and get a market share of the different PC manufacturers, was mentioning that in a tech news bulletin they issued that AI-driven PCs, and for the question of what understanding what it is, an AI-driven PC is a PC that will incorporate an NPU. I showed you that you can check your task manager for that. So they're saying that in 2024, we're going to have roughly 40% of all PCs sold will have an NPU. So there will be AI-driven PCs. And so that accounts from their numbers to roughly 48 million PCs this year that will have a AI or NPU chip in them. And that number will rise to 100 million PCs in 2025 that will have an NPU. So this is interesting numbers. They are so, of course, saying also that PC sales are on the rise. Somebody in the channel also is mentioning that Apple has also issued a numbers that Mac computers are sales are on the rise too, which is kind of logical. Usually, when the PC world goes up, Apple also sells more PCs, sells more of their Apple Mac computers. So they are saying that it is going to be a good year with the rise of PC sales, but that 2025 will even have more PC sales. So 40% of the PCs this year, that's about 48 million PCs, will have an NPU, and more than 100 million, and they say that it could be as high as 150 million PCs with NPUs going towards the end of 2025. So there'll be a lot of AI processing out there coming. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.